Hello and welcome. Let us discuss this question that came in the year 2016 and is related to the topic air pollution. The question is, in the cities of our country, which among the following atmospheric gases are normally considered in calculating the value of air quality index? Number 1, carbon dioxide. Number 2, carbon monoxide. Number 3, nitrogen dioxide. Number 4, sulfur dioxide, and number 5, methane. Now, as far as air quality index is concerned, then there are 8 pollutants mentioned in the air quality index. Air quality index was launched under Swachh Bharat Abhiyan in the year 2014. And these are the pollutants that are mentioned under air quality index. So particulate matter 10, particulate matter 2.5, ozone, SO2, NO2. This ozone is tropospheric ozone. Then sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon monoxide is there, lead is there, and ammonium is there. That is, ammonia is there, NH3. Okay. As far as national ambient air quality standards are concerned, so there are 12 pollutants. Pollutants that are mentioned in National Air Quality Index plus benzene, benzopyrene, arsenic and nickel. This National Ambient Air Quality Index was launched in the year 2019 under National Clean Air Program. National Clean Air Program, NCAP. So this was launched in 2019, and CPCB, that is Central Pollution Control Board, that is under Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. This is under Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. They notify these 12 pollutants that are mentioned under National Ambient Air Quality Standards. So these pollutants formed under Air Pollution Prevention and Control Act of 1981. Or simply Air Pollution Act of 1981. So this CPCB notifies these 12 pollutants, and as far as this air quality index is concerned, so they are under Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. These 8 pollutants are mentioned, in which carbon dioxide is not a part, methane is also not a part. Okay. Also, if air quality standards are below 50 in air quality index, then the city is safe or clean. And if it is above 400, then severe air pollution is there. So if we see the question again, carbon monoxide is there, nitrogen dioxide is there, and sulfur dioxide is there. As far as AQI is concerned, carbon dioxide is not there and methane is not there. So our answer for this question will be B, 2, 3 and 4 only. Thank you.